हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 2 द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे, राईट द आन्सर्स टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स इन युअर वर्ड्स. त्यामध्ये ए, व्हॉट आर द डिफरन्सेस बिटवीन द प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल्स. सो आपण डिफरन्स बघूया प्लांट्स आणि ॲनिमल्सचा. त्याचा आन्सर आहे प्लांट्स. फर्स्ट पॉईंट, प्लांट्स कॅन नॉट मूव्ह फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, दे आर अँकोर्ड टू द सॉईल. ॲनिमल्समध्ये फर्स्ट पॉईंट आहे ॲनिमल्स कॅन मूव्ह फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. Then in plants, second point is plants prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll and sunlight. In animals, second point is the animals cannot prepare their own food, they move in search of food from one place to another. Third point in plants, plants grow throughout their life. Third point in animals, animals grow only up to the certain period of their life. Then fourth point in plants, plants respire with the help of microscopic pores present on their leaves and stems. Fourth point in animals, animals respires with the help of special organs like lungs, gills, trachea, etc. Fifth point in plants, plants excrete their waste by storing them in the leaves and bark of plants and then shedding them seasonally. In fifth point in animals, animals excrete their waste with the help of special organs regularly. Sixth point in plants, plants are only living things which take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the photosynthesis. Sixth point in animals, animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide throughout their life. Seventh point in plants, plants reproduce with the help of seeds, stems, spores, bulbs, etc. And seventh point in animals, animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to the young ones. Then B, what are the similarities between the plants and animals? The answer is both plants and animals increase in height, size and weight as they grow into an adult. They require food to supply energy to carry out the various life processes. They have a fixed lifespan after which they die. All plants and animals respire and they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide while breathing. All the plants and animals excrete their wastes produced in their body. All the plants and animals have ability to reproduce. All the plants and animals show responsiveness to their external stimuli. Then see, how is the plant kingdom useful to us? Answer is, the plants are used for household as well as industrial purposes. They provide us with food in the form of fruits, vegetables, etc. Example, potato, methi, bhendi, apple, mango, etc. Some plants are also used as medicines. Example, adulsa, hirda, tulsi, etc. They also support birds which build their nest. Wood of trees like oak, fir, birch, etc. are used to make furniture in building homes, etc. Wood pulp is used to make paper. Then next, D, how is the animal kingdom useful to us? Answer is, dogs, cats, cows, etc. are domesticated. Dogs and cats are used as pets. Cow, buffaloes, goats, etc. are used for getting their milk. Sheep is used for obtaining wool. Horses, oxen, camels and donkeys are used to carry burden and for various other occupations. Earthworm is useful in agriculture. Birds like hens, turkeys and ducks provides their eggs to us for food. Insects like bees provide us with honey. Silkworm provides us with silk. Then next E, what makes living things different from non-living things? So let's see. Answer is, first point in living things can grow on their own in size, height and weight. Non-living Non-living things do not grow on their own in size, height and weight. Second point in living thing. Living things can move from one place to another on their own. Second point in non-living things can move only if someone moves them. Third point in living things can reproduce. Third point in non-living things cannot reproduce. Fourth point in living things exhibit responses to various stimuli. Fourth point in non-living things do not exhibit responses to various stimuli. Fifth point in living things, they require food for their growth. Fifth point in non-living things, they do not require any food. Then next, question number 2, what helps them to breathe? So let's see, a fish, bee, a snake, a crane, an earthworm, man, bunny tree and caterpillar. So answer is plants and animals. Okay, first is a fish, breathing organ is a gills. Second, a snake, breathing organ is external nostrils and lungs. Third, a crane, breathing organ is external nose and air sacs in lungs. Next, an earthworm, breathing organ is moist skin. Next, man, breathing organ is a nose and lungs. Next, a banyan tree, breathing organ is microscopic pores called as stomata present on leaves. Next, a caterpillar, breathing organ is a trachea which opens at the side in their skin. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. So there is in brackets we त्यांनी आपल्याला काय दिलेले आहे, वर्ड्स दिलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला फिल इन द ब्लँक्स, त्यात ह्या वर्डचा यूज करून खाली दिलेला फिल इन द ब्लँक्स फिल करायचा आहे. सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट, द प्रोसेस बाय विच प्लांट्स मेक देअर ओन फूड इज कॉल्ड ॲज, आन्सर इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. बी, टू इनहेल डॅश डॅश अँड टू एक्झेल डॅश डॅश इज कॉल्ड ॲज रेस्पिरेशन. सो आन्सर इज ऑक्सिजन अँड कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. C, the elimination of waste substances from this body is called as dash dash. Answer is excretion. D, the ability to respond to an event is called as dash dash to dash dash. Answer is responsiveness and stimuli. E, on completing their lifespan every living things dash dash. Answer is die. Question number 4, write the uses of these animals and plants. So there will be given us the animals and some plants. Okay, so you have to write the uses of these animals and plants. So let's see. First, animal uses. आपण पहिले ॲनिमलचे युजेस बघूया. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे हनी बीज. ओके, त्याचा यूज आहे हनी बी अँड वॅक्स. हनी अँड वॅक्स प्रिपेअर्ड बाय देम इज यूज्ड बाय अस. Bee wax is used in cosmetic like lip balm, lip gloss, etc. Second is a shark. त्याचा यूज आहे the shark liver oil obtained from them is a rich source of vitamins. Next आहे yaks. The use milk and meat obtained is used as a food. Yaks are also used for carrying loads in mountainous region. Next आहे sheep. Use is their fleece is used as a good source of wool. Their meat is used as a food. Next आहे earthworms. Use आहे they convert biodegradable waste to good manure, means vermi compost, which can be used in fields and gardens. They are called as friends of farmers and they make the soil fertile. Last आहे dogs. They are used as a pets to guard houses and farms. Okay, this is not a last. Then seventh आहे bivalves. Uses bivalves like oysters are used to obtain pearls used in jewelry making. They are also used as a food. 8 आहे horses. They are used for pulling carriages, heavy loads and also as a means of transport in mountainous region. 9th आहे mice. They are used in research to test medicines, vaccines, etc. 10th आहे rabbits. They are used as a pets and also in research their meat is used as a food. So next we can see the uses of plants. Okay, so let's see. First is ginger. It is used as a medicine to cure digestive problems of stomach. It is also used as a spice in a food. Second is a mango. It is used to prepare pickles when raw and as a fruit when ripe. It is also used to prepare jam, jelly and in ice creams. Third, eucalyptus. Uses leaves and oil extracted from it is used as a medicine to cure fever, cold and cough. The next plant is babul, acacia. Okay, it is used as a medicine, also used as a cattle feed. It is used to clean teeth. It was also used to cure leprosy and heel wounds. Fifth आहे teak means sag. Its wood is used to make a furniture. Sixth आहे spinach means palak. It is used as a vegetable. Okay, and it is a good in or it is rich in vitamins. Next is aloe vera means corford. It is used to treat various skin diseases. Its gel is used as a moisturizer for skin and for treating hair fall. Eighth is a turmeric. It is used as a spice and has a medicinal properties. It is used for healing wounds and cuts due to its antiseptic properties, that is helps to prevent growth of bacteria. Ninth is a holy basil means tulsi. It is used as a medicine to cure cough and cold. It is also reduces air pollution and drives away mosquitoes. 10th is karanja, jatropa. It is used as a medicine and its seeds are used to prepare biodiesel. Then next 11th, mahava. Its scientific name is Maduka longifolia and its use is the fat extracted from its seeds is used in the manufacture of soaps and detergents. Its barks and flowers are used as a medicine. Its leaves are used to feed. And it is also silkworms. So there is a silkworms. Silkworms which produce tusar silk and seeds and flowers are also used to make a wine. Okay, this is the use of mahava. Okay. Then 12th is mulberry. Okay, the leaves of these trees are used for feeding silkworms which produce silk. The fruits are rich in vitamins. Jam and jellies are also made from these fruits. 13 is grape vine. Okay, grapes are fruits of a grape vine. They are used for making jam, jelly, juice, wine and are also eaten as a fruit. Raisins are prepared from these grapes. Then our question number 5th is, what are the peculiarities of the movements of these living things? So living things are snakes, tortoises, kangaroos, eagles, chameleons, frogs, gulmohur, sweet potato, creeper, dolphins, ants, rattlesnakes, grasshoppers, earthworms. So we can see, let's see आता the peculiarities of the movements of these living things. Okay, so answer is, first is the snakes. They don't have eggs. They move in a S-shaped wavy motion. Okay, they cannot move over smooth surface. They move by contraction and relaxations of their body muscles. Second is tortoises. They are very slow and they walk on their four legs by raising their body off the ground. They are the slowest animal. Third is the kangaroos. The hind legs of kangaroos are long and front legs are short. A kangaroo moves by hopping, means jumping, on its muscular hind legs with the support of long tail outstretched behind. This movement is called as pentapedal movement. Okay, penta means is equal to 5 and pedals is equal to legs. Fourth is eagles. Eagles fly at a great height and they can lift and fly away with prey which are heavier than them. Wings of eagles are strong and powerful. Fifth is chameleons. Chameleons can change the color of their skin and camouflage means hide in their surroundings. They move slowly with their forelegs. They also used their tail and claws to grab a branch and balance themselves. Okay, so chameleons, we can see the peculiarities. Then next is frogs. Their hind legs are long and front legs are short. Hence, they hop on their hind legs when on a land and swim with the help of hind limbs when in water. Gul mohair. Gul mohair blooms in summer and the flowers, which are red in color, reveal very few leaves. Their leaves fold up during evening. It grows to a height of 5 meter to 12 meter and it shades all its leaves in dry season. 8 is a sweet potato creeper. Sweet potato creeper are fastest growing creeper that covers the whole ground. If they find some support, they try to bend towards it. 9th is dolphins. They move on surface of water by slapping their tail, exposing their head, leaping out of water, diving in the water and doing a side flop. 30 patterns are seen in their behavior while moving on a water. 10th is ants. The ants move in a line and as they move, they leave a chemical called as pheromone behind as a trail which attracts other ants. They have 6 legs and they can walk very fast. 11th is a rattlesnake. Rattlesnake is a highly poisonous snake. The rattling sound is made by shaking of the rattle located on its tail when it moves. 12th is a grasshopper. They are insects with 3 pairs of walking legs and 2 pairs of wings, which helps them to walk, fly and jump. They can leap vigorously due to powerful hind legs. Next is earthworms. Each segment on the body of earthworm contain group of bristles called as setae, which are used for movement. They move forward by repeated contractions and relaxations of their muscles. A slimy substance created by the earthworm helps in its movement. Then our question number 6 is, write in detail about how the plants and animals found in your surroundings prove useful or harmful. Okay. So some animals and plants around us are harmful to man. So let's see. Some animals and plants around us are harmful to man. So let's see. First point is mosquitoes. Mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Second is cockroaches, mice, rats destroy our food. Lice, ticks also spread diseases. The bites of some poisonous lizards, spiders, snakes and scorpions can even cause death. If wild elephants enter human settlements, they cause a lot of destructions. Dog bite from a rabid dog can cause rabies. Plants like datura are poisonous. Consumptions of its seeds can cause death. Uncontrolled growth of algae and fungi pollutes water and may cause disease. Fungi cause rotting of food. Pods of nettle and colocasia leaves can cause itching. Weeds like a parthenium dodder affect crop growth. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे आपला स्टँडर्ड 6चा सायन्सचा चॅप्टर नंबर 2 द लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहे. पुढील चॅप्टरचे आपण क्वेश्चन आन्सर लवकरच महाराष्ट्र मीडिया चॅनलवर अपलोड करणार आहोत. सो थँक्यू, कीप वॉचिंग.